Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills. What are soft skills? There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They're all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day. With another lecture on soft skills. The title of this episode is Interpersonal Relationship Management. Message: Friendship. F6 R 18 1 I 9 E 5 N 14 D 4 S 19 H 8 I 9 P 16. Total 108. Friend like you anytime surely helps like 108. That is the meaning of friendship. F friend, see? Okay. Coming to the topic. India is in the process of great transformation from a highly regulated and controlled economy to a liberalized, deregulated, global open economy. Indian ethos, that is principles of Kautilya also called Chanakya, Sukracharya, Gita, Ramayana, Vedanta provide the concepts of personality, human behavior, communication and interpersonal relations. The ancient Indian scriptures contemplate the following thoughts. 1. All work is an opportunity for doing good to the world and thus gaining materially and spiritually in our lives. 2. Worship people by showing respect to their divinity within. 3. Strength and inspiration for excelling in work comes from the divine, God, that is God within, through prayer, spiritual readings and unselfish work. 4. One who works with calm mind achieves the most. 5. Infinite happiness and infinite peace come to them who see the divine in all beings. 6. Regard the other person as a divine being. For subjective management system, the following points are to be kept in mind. 1. Management attitude. Have belief in value-oriented holistic management. Profit is earned through service and the satisfaction of all stakeholders, employees, customers and shareholders. Fulfillment of social responsibility must be ensured. 2. Introspection. A self-examination of your own thoughts, feelings, emotions, sensations, passions, and desire to reduce and subdue the ego. 3. Silent brain. Calm mind enjoys tranquility and takes enduring decisions. Meditative silence is the most reliable method to discover solutions to problems. 4. Intuition. Intuition is efficient and effective for taking prompt and sound decisions. Faith is a prerequisite to develop and realize the power of intuition. Management styles. British, American, Japanese, Indian. Indian management styles examples. 1. Rajasthani carpenters. 2. Gujarati women's skill at handicraft. 3. The wood carvers of Karnataka. 4. Jodhpur leather footwear. The above are showing remarkable excellence in their work and production. They are exporting their products through, though they don't know the modern concepts like QC, quality control, TQM, total quality management, ISO 9000, etc. They are showing their excellence in management, production and services. Indian management consultants like the following ones followed the Indian ethos. 1. Suresh Pandit applied Indian ethos in management in companies like Yashpal Paper Mills, MTNL, Crompton Greaves, Otis, Air India. 2. Professor S.K. Chakravarti in Tisco, BHEL, BEL, RBI, Oil India. 3. Mrs. Gita Patil in Reliance. 4. Sunil Kumar of Vivekananda Center in IFCO, Indian Oil, Railways. 5. Newspaper hawker, grocers handle customers daily. With so many above examples, why should we still believe in American stick and carrot policy? Why learn Cajun technique in Japan? Notice how our wife manages home. After marriage, in next 1 year, you would like to eat in a restaurant. After 1 year, she proves herself a good cook. Then you don't go out for eating. She never went to Japan to learn Kaizen. Necessary quality or ability is already there in Indian workers, but we are not utilizing them properly because we are not maintaining interpersonal relationship with them. Vedantic concept says, make them dignified human beings. In the present system, an extraordinary human being is made ordinary. He doesn't get a chance to realize his potential. A sweeper is always a sweeper. A watchman remains always a watchman throughout his life. He is robbed of self-respect and autonomy. Kautilya's contribution to management. Chanakya was accepted and revered as a genius both by Indian and Western scholars. He is a shrewd statesman and ruthless administrator, one of the greatest diplomats of the world. Modern management defines an organization as having social dimension and economic objective. Modern management and Kautilya go hand in hand. Kautilya says sound knowledge of complex human nature is essential for effective, efficient, and honest running of the state machinery. He says undesirable attitude of human nature, that is inactivity, is to be avoided. He prescribes the qualities to appoint ministers in government. The qualities are 1. Character, 2. Thinking ability, 3. Communication skills, 4. Knowledge, 5. Attitude, 6. Honesty. He further says mantris, ministers, should not have the following emotional devils: 1. Lust, 2. Anger, 3. Greed, 4. Mada means happiness. Despite learning of management theories from USA, Japan, there is agitation, lockout, sick industry, etc. Management science is based on behavioral psychology. Indian management institutes teach American or Japanese methods. American style may not work in India. Indianness, Indian edition of management required, which is given in Kautilya's Ardhashastra and Vedants. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.